1975 Lincoln Mark IV two-door hardtop here at Unique Specialty in Classics. Original mile car showing 113,216 miles on it right now. 460 V8 underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes, AC. Technician did note AC compressor does not have the belt hooked up, so that will need a little TLC. C6 automatic transmission. Take a look at the front grille. Bright work bumper, of course the headlight doors. Now as far as paint on this car, it does show its age, and I will point out some things as we go around, but there's spots where there's rock chips. Paint does show its age. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll see a lot of it in there. Undersides, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Start over here on the passenger side. You can see some previous filler work down below on the lower rockers, as well as behind the wheel well. Lincoln wheel covers, radial tires. And again, you'll see touch-up paint along the trim piece, missing part of the trim piece, and then again lower rockers down below have had some previous work. Original white car, Normand half vinyl roof, in saddle, that's still intact, although that does show its age a little bit too, as you can see down here in the bottom. But this is the way this car would have looked when it rolled off the showroom floor back in 1975. DZ is the trim code, so we have a white and saddle interior. Appears to be original in this one. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Take a look at the underside of that hood, where that 460 V8 lies. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Looks like we're missing a trim piece at the bottom of the trunk there. And once again, UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. There'll be every angle of this car, the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. If you're into the Lincoln Mark series, whether it be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here. And that's pretty much with any vehicle that we get in. Videos are uploaded daily, and these vehicles are available to purchase when the videos are uploaded. This one price does reflect the condition, so if you're looking for just a cruiser, want to have some fun, get into the classic car hobby without breaking the bank, here you go. Let's take a little closer look at the interior. Again, white and saddle interior. That is the original color and what appears to be original interior. Power seat over here on the driver's side as well as the passenger side. Power windows. You remember in 75, this was Lincoln's big dog. We do have some separation in the leather there. Well, the headliner looks good. Let's go ahead and fire it up. You can see the exact miles there. It shows 13,216, so 113,216 are the original miles. We do have a little aftermarket stereo system, Sanyo, AM, FM cassette. Not had it power up. Was installed once upon a time. Top of the dash. Looks good. Minus rear view mirror, just so you know. Door closes nicely. Slip around to the back, take a listen. Alright, let's go take a peek at the engine bay and underneath the hood. Also wanted to mention this hood ornament right here. that will not stay up all the time, so I'll make you aware of that. Let me pause this a second, check out the engine bay. Stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. There's a good look at the hood liner and engine bay. Once again, 460 V8, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC is not functioning though, the belt has been disconnected. '75 Lincoln Mark IV. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Doesn't get a whole lot more 70s than brown carpet, some brown two-tone panels, and wood grain all over this interior. It definitely feels like we're in 1975. The luxurious ride of the Lincoln Continental, alive and well in this car. Very soft riding car. Starts and runs very nicely. Our fuel gauge is working, showing almost 3/4 of a tank. Speedometer is working well. Clock on the left of the dash by Cartier. It's not moving, but it is there. The front seats, driver and passenger, power tilt for the rear and the front of the front seats is working very well. Power positioning, up and down, left and right, multi-position luxury seats with extra padding. Very comfortable. You can recline as if you're in your sofa at home. Power brakes working excellent. The luxurious cornering, nice and soft in the corners. Mostly warning lights on the dash. Those are all the gauges that we have, the gauges that I mentioned. This is an automatic on the column, of course. Cruise control functioning as it should. Very nice. Check out all the pictures and learn more about this Lincoln Continental at uniqueclassiccars.com.